Hi, I'm Erin from Fabricate, and today I'm going to show you how to install and remove the print cores on your UltiMaker printer. Let's get started. So we're going to open the door. We're going to fold down a little front bracket here. Going to squeeze and pull. Set it down, squeeze and pull. So it's important to make sure to be squeezing it up as close to the silver barrel as you can, because if you put pressure here, you could crack this piece. All right, now same process to reinsert. Squeeze, push, make sure it clicks, squeeze, push. There you go.